Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So let's continue our discussion in C++. I'm sorry, in programming. So this time we will be discussing the uh, design of C++, no, of the language. And then we will subsequently we go to another topic. So let's move on. So design using C++. No? So in the design of the C++, so there are some rules, no, or conventions. So designs in C++ refers to the structured planning software, no, component using principles like object-oriented, modularity, abstraction, and reusable code pattern. So these are the principles, no. Why we need to have a design so that very easy to run. We know already what structure to be used. No? If you're familiar with the state command, no, you have an idea how to start with the program to make it more easier, no? And run faster. Avoid the redundancy. So key concept in C++ design web classes and objects, encapsulation of data and functions. So classes now, making an object. So creating an object. Inheritance and polymorph. So this is the purpose of the classes now, of the object oriented. No? So the reuse. You don't have to rewrite again the big code. You just take the code, the object. Encapsulation, hiding internal implementation, which make it more safe, no? Separating concern using modular design using header and software, no? And with the modular design, very easy to just make a copy and paste, no? Make it program easier. Here is an example, no? When you are designing, no? So class, no? Vehicle, then it has a action, no? Object oriented because object has a behavior, no? It's moving. Car is class, no? Public vehicle move, right? So it's behavior, no? So that's how to create the object. Take the pattern only, no? And then you will get used into it, no? When you're doing a programming in C++. Application game development, embedded system. So in the controller, no, developing, they use in robotics, no, C++. Finance system, high performance trading, even Windows, no, created using C++. Code writing standards, comments. So, like this one, naming convention, use camel case or snake. Indentation, consistent spacing for function length. We will have the example of this one, okay? Header guards prevent multiple inclusion. So this is the sample, okay? Just take the style, no? Be familiar. That's what we can say, no? So comments, double slash is comments also. Then slash asterisk, and then asterisk slash in between is comment. This is a C style. This is the C++, the new style. So whichever you're going to use, it doesn't matter. The compiler recognize it. Na? Example with comments. Na? So if you want to have this very big comments, na? So and you can use this one very easy, no? Rather than a slash and slash like this. Okay. So this is a comment. Okay. Tools for documentation, Doxygen, they are using this one. So, use of debugger, breakpoints, and commands in C++. We have GDB, GNU. These are common, no? Visual Studio. So, in the Windows, no? And LLDB, no? For Mac OS. So, these are the tools, no? So, this is the command. Don't bother about this one, huh? So, when you're programming, you will have this one later, no? The description. This one is compiled with debug tools. This one is start debugger. This one is set breakpoints made. Run the program, run. Next, execute and run. And then step is on support. No? Example of GDB session, this is the structure. Copy edit mean, so the same as C, no? C code, no? So C is the most easiest to learn, no? Once you learn it, very easy to learn C++. No? You just study the classes, no? Or the object oriented. Then compile, just have this no, format. These are the format. No? E++, no? Like this one, okay? Program.cpp. Because it's C++, that's why extension is CPP. Program is the name of the program. Example, exercise 1. Application, identifying memory leaks, fixing runtime crashes, watching variable, changes in loops, or recursive function. So let's move on to code writing. So in the code writing standards, so in C++, so by definition refers to the consistent rules, convention used to write readable, maintainable, and efficient code. No? These standards make code easier to debug, understand, and collaborate. Yeah. Okay, common C++ coding standards. Okay. For the name, example, int max speed car. Use camel case for variables, Pascal case for classes, and uppercase for course. This is an example. Braces placement. So this is the opening. No? Okay. And then invert that one is the closing. Indentation for spaces. No? Example. This is indented. No? So header guards prevent multiple inclusion like this one. Just get the format. No? So studying means actually getting the pattern. Function size, keep function small, and focus on single task. No? Function should ideally be under 30 lines. No? Comments. This is comments. This is comments. No? Okay, example of comments. No? Why comments? Because easier to understand. Best practice, keep comments concise and relevant. Update comments when modifying code. Avoid obvious comments like this. Documentation. CY document because writing a program is very big. So sometimes programmer resign, no? So another programmer will come. So with documentation, very easy now to follow what has been done. Okay, documentation provides structured explanation of the code base, including function usage, parameters, return values, and module behavior. No? To serve large projects, maintenance, and handovers. No? WebDoxygen. No? Family style and documentation like this one. So this is the narrative. Okay, of this one. What this code is doing is actually adding two. This is a function for adding two parameters or variable. Okay? Applications of documentation enable easier onboarding for new developers. That's why web documentation generates HTML PDF manuals for large project and ensures clear API application for program interface design and usability. So this is the embed for embedded system, precise code and comments for game development, modular code, no, with documentation. Helps managing large databases. No? Financial software maintains code is critical for compliance and audits. Open source code, good documentation attracts contributors no? And users. So that's all for today. We discussed design and code standards. So tomorrow on the next meeting, we'll continue. We are just on the pure topic of programming. Keep hang on. Bye bye.